Hi, I'm Nancy, your brand strategist, and this is how to get customers on Instagram with hashtags.
Come on, I got what it takes.
So I'm doing this video because I noticed that a lot of small business owners did not get this hashtag thing right. They do not have a strategy. And this is important right now because the new Instagram algorithm 2018 is punishing a lot the wrong usage of hashtags. And I'm here to tell you 3 things you have to think about when preparing your Instagram hashtag strategy. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the ultimate secret to make your Instagram picture be seen by a lot of people. Because I want you to maximize your marketing efforts if you're using Instagram. And in case you're a small business owner and want to know everything about how to maximize your marketing efforts, time, energy, and money, I highly suggest that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the red subscribe button below and also the little bell on its side so you will not miss any marketing dirty little secret I'll be talking about in my videos. But first, a little question for you. How is my accent? I'm Italian and I'm really concerned about how my accent might sound like. And please let me know in the comments below if it at least sounds nice. Thank you. So the very first thing you have to think about when preparing your Instagram hashtag strategy is the ideal customer. Like for everything in marketing, like for the marketing itself, you have to think about your ideal customer. First thing first, is your ideal customer on Instagram? If yes, what is your ideal customer interested in? And I'm not talking about Instagram itself, but what is the ideal customer interested in about your business, about what you sell? One thing that your ideal customer is certainly interested in is the final result. What's in it for them? And your hashtags should be focused on what the ideal customer is interested in, because the hashtags will be used by the algorithm to suggest your picture to other users, to new users. So if you do that correctly, you're gonna get new customers. Your hashtags should be relevant to the picture. Since your hashtags should be relevant to the customer, the ideal customer, and your hashtags should be relevant to the picture, guess what? Your picture should be relevant to the ideal customer, meaning that it's going to show what the ideal customer will want. You want to give your ideal customers the experience that they will get, and so you want to give them a visual experience of what's the result that they're gonna get with your picture, and you want to tell them with your description and your hashtags. So your hashtags should describe what the final result is, not the name of the product that you're selling. And last thing you have to take care of when preparing your Instagram hashtag strategy is being focused. Because not only the algorithm will be able to tell if the hashtags are relevant to the picture, but is of course able to count them. Maybe you've heard from someone also here on YouTube telling you that you should add like 60 hashtags in the text of the post and also in the first comment, and that's so not a good idea. To maximize your marketing efforts, I want you to use this thing right. You do not want to use more than 5 hashtags, and you want those 5 hashtags to be freaking focused. Seriously relevant to the picture. You do not want to stuff in like the city you're in, unless your business is about the city you're in, of course. Probably if you're a restaurant, you want to take a picture of one of your dishes. If it's fish, you want hashtag fish. If it's grilled, you want hashtag grilled. And maybe you want to create the hashtag of the name of the dish. And the last one could be like hashtag so freaking tasty, that kind of stuff. And here comes the ultimate secret. The algorithm will show your picture to the 10% of your followers. So it means that if you have like 100 followers, 10 people will see that post. If those 10 people are engaged with your picture, the algorithm will let that picture be seen by more people, more followers. And if more followers are engaging with that picture, they will start showing it to other people. So one thing you want is to engage people. And right now, the Instagram algorithm considers engagement Not the hearts, not the emoji in the comments, but 4-word comment. If the comment is less than 4 words, it's not engagement. And so the ultimate secret is to make people write those 4 words. Thing is that if you ask people, please leave a comment with 4 words, people will. You wanna persuade people to write 4 words. You wanna make it like a challenge, let's say. You wanna ask them something that is gonna be 4 words. You wanna persuade people to write 4 things. So you have to be clever with that. And so this is how to get customers on Instagram with hashtags. In the comments below, the very first one, the pinned one, you're gonna find a link to download this freebie, which is a little infographic that sums up how you should be preparing your next Instagram upload. And in that same comment, you're gonna find a link to connect with me on other social media, so in case you do not have a YouTube account, we can totally take the discussion outside of YouTube. So you can tell me there how my accent sounds like. And I'm here, and I'm but in case you do have a YouTube account, like the video, subscribe to my channel to maximize your marketing efforts, time, energy and money, and make people love your business. Thanks for watching and see you next week with a new quick marketing tip and a new downloadable freebie.